Good morning, guys. So today is going to be another vlog. I haven't uploaded in a while, as you guys know, but please, for you guys who want to keep up with me, please follow me on Instagram. I am most active on Instagram, and you guys know on Instagram I have my Beauty by Benji page, which is basically the one that's connected to my YouTube, and then I have my business page, which is Benjamin Beauty, where I sell all of my beauty line. And then I have a new page. It's called The Benji Life, where I share everything from cooking to decor to all of that fun stuff. So if you're interested, follow those accounts. I will leave them scrolling here, and I will also link them down in the info box. So please follow me there. Especially the Benji lifestyle, because a lot of you guys like my cooking videos and things like that, and I'm uploading a ton of cooking videos on there, and I am very active as far as posting on there, so follow me there. Anyway, good morning. Today is Friday. It is my day off, and I am trying to get things done. Right now, I just got up. I fed Gaston. I'm going to go ahead and wash his blankets and things because I think I'm going to give him a bath today. And I like to wash all of these things on the days that I give him a bath, so that by the time he gets back in his bed, he's nice and clean and nothing is being cross-contaminated, if that makes sense. Other than that, I am going to be going to IKEA today because this situation right here, this ain't it, bruh. My pantries are so messy and I just can't handle that. I'm going to be going to IKEA and I'm going to be getting a lot of organizational things for my pantry and also for my laundry closet because, as you guys know, I don't have a pantry. This is it. This thing right here, this is it. That's what I call my pantry. I don't have a pantry and I don't have a laundry room, but I fell in love with the house, so we bought it. So yeah, today I'm going to be going to, I think I'm going to do IKEA and then I'm going to do Ross and I'm going to try to do TJ Maxx. I don't know if I'm going to make it to Home Goods. I might have to stop at Target just because we need toilet paper and paper towels. And I like to get those in bulk since quarantine happened. I'm scared to not get it in bulk. So I'm going to be doing that. But before we get into that, okay? Before we get into that, have you guys watched Black is King by Beyonce, her new visual album? If you haven't, it's the visual album of the album that she came out with for The Lion King, and it came out last night on Disney Plus. So I've been watching it, but there is one song that truly has my heart, and that is Water. That song is with a Cameroonian artist, as you guys know. Your girl is from Cameroon, okay? Cameroon gets overlooked a lot when they talk about like African countries and traditions and music and all of that. I'm just so happy that we were not overlooked this time around. Hey guys, so I just got to IKEA. I completely and totally forgot that I was vlogging today. So I went home and I haven't given Gaston his bath yet. Yeah, so I decided to go to IKEA and get all this done and then go home and do everything else at once. So yes, I just pulled up at IKEA. So let's go in and see what they got. In the car, and I found absolutely nothing at IKEA. So I'm going to go ahead and I found a Ross and a TJ Maxx that are next door to each other. So that's where I'm going to go right now. Hopefully I can find some things today. If not, I'm going to have to order everything from Amazon, which I'd rather just find it in store so I can get it done today and not have to wait for my Amazon order because Amazon has been tripping lately. So I'll see you soon.
You're the only one that matters. I don't want to blink when I stare at you. I can barely breathe after.
Guys, so I just left the World Market. This is all I got so far. I ended up stopping at Total Wine to get some stuff for margaritas. I just like to keep stuff for margaritas in the house. You never know what kind of day you're gonna have. So I am heading home. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, and I found absolutely nothing that I was looking for. So I found some other stuff, but not really what I was looking for. So I might vlog another day just because I feel like today's vlog was a little lame and slow. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so now we left the house. I'm with Chris right now actually, and we are picking up his bike. His bike needed some work done, and we're just here at the bike shop picking it up. And somebody's over here breathing down my neck right now. Gaston, can you sit down and chill out? You're making me hot. Good morning, guys. So I'm going to be finally vlogging again. As you guys know, I let you guys hanging off a cliff last week with my vlog, but I really had a busy week. I had a friend in town, I had to work, I had so much going on. I also have a lot going on this week, but I decided to take this day that I'm off right now to vlog because I have a little bit of things going on, so I figured I'll take you guys along with me. So right now we're gonna be walking. Gaston, you wanna say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Bro, say hi. Coming around the corner. You ready to go for your walk? You're such a good dog. Look at how good he is. He's such an amazing dog, y'all. Like, I think I picked the best dog in the world. Anyway, so we're about to go for a walk, and after that I have to go take him to get his nails grinded down because homeboy is ruining my pants. Okay, he is puncturing my leggings, so we got to get those nails taken care of, and then I'm gonna give him a bath because I've noticed that the way that I give him a bath, I like it better than the way the groomers does. Not that they do a bad job, but I just like the products that I use on him a little bit better. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then I have to go get my nails done, and then I have a friend coming over. It's a full day, so let's get started. Adventure begins. All right, guys, so we are officially in the car. We are going to go get this little guy's nail trimmed. Okay, I forgot his seatbelt in Chris's car, so I have him in his little bed. Hopefully he stays. He loves to lick. And if we don't have him on a seatbelt, he'll be like right here, like licking our backs the whole time we're driving. I'm back home. I had to pick up some packages to ship out. So I dropped off Gaston at the groomers. There was a little bit of a wait, so they usually hold him there. He plays with other dogs while he waits for his service. But he was super nervous today. Like, he was running away. I know it was he doesn't like that girl. I don't think he likes the guy better, but the guy wasn't there or available. So when she was trying to take him away, he was just like not having it. But that gives me enough time to run some errands. I gotta go to the grocery store. I gotta go to Target and get his food. I have to go to get my nails done. And then yeah, and then I can go pick him up and we can head home. And I have my friend coming over for lunch today, so I need to make lunch. So yes, a full day. So let me get started. I only have 45 minutes to go to Target, go to the post office, and get to my nail appointment on time, and possibly stop by Home Goods because Home Goods is right next door to my nails. And why wouldn't I? So, you know, that's how it goes. So let's get it. All right, guys, I am finally home. Gaston is also home. Where's he at? Right there. Getting some water. I got a lot of things. So first things I'm gonna do is, this is my order from, let me cover my address, Boohoo, and then I have an order from Ego. So I'm gonna open those first, and then I am going to take out the groceries and start cooking. So this is one of the shoes that I received from Ego. They're so stinking cute. My ugly toes. They're so comfortable and so cute. Oh my gosh. I am in love. And if you have a white foot, These are Velcro, so they lift up and down. No, I'm not talking to you. They lift up and down so that you look at him looking for my hand. Stop. You're too happy. So you can widen it a little bit. Let me show you guys. Mr. Gaston, this ain't about you. So you can open it like that, and then you can Velcro it closed. I think they're so cute and so comfortable.
Your kiss is my daydream.